Hello everyone and welcome to another video. This is Liam from CarPlay Direct, and today I'm going to show you how to prepare the files onto a USB stick ready for a Mr12volt USB software update. So just to be transparent, I'm making this video because obviously at the moment there is an update to cure the iPhone 17/17 Pro Max wireless dropout issues. So if you head on over to the Mr12volt website, they have a page here, and as you can see, all the updates are here listed for every single Mr12volt model. So I'm using a Mac, so as you can see, I've downloaded the zip from the Mr12volt website and I've double clicked it, and obviously that will give me the unzipped folder. This will do exactly the same on Windows too. So I'm doing this demo on the Mac. As you can see, I've formatted my USB stick to a FAT32 format. On Windows, you would obviously go into your folder. You would obviously find your USB stick on the computer and you would right hand click it, and on Windows it gives you the option to format the USB stick. Proceed with that and obviously format it at FAT32. So once you've formatted your USB stick, ideally a stick between 1 gig and 32 gigabytes, you need to obviously proceed back to the folder that's been unzipped from the zip file downloaded from the Mr12volt website. So now just click into the folder that's been obviously unzipped, and this will obviously show you all the files that you need for the update. Obviously I'm going to right click, select copy, go to the USB drive, paste the items, and as you can see, all the items will load onto the USB stick. Might take a little while, not too long. Once this is obviously all done, then we'll go on to the next step. One left to do. There you go. As you can see, it took around 10 seconds. All the files are now on the USB. Once this is all done, you can obviously remove the USB stick from your USB drive, and then you can obviously take it to the car to obviously install the update in. There is another video on my channel of obviously how to do the USB software update step by step, so please do follow that. It's very important. So that's going to conclude this video. If you need any help at all, then please do leave a comment down below.